Welcome to the UW Platteville Pour'n Pioneers 2025 Cast and Steel George Washington Sword. Looking through our options, we elected to make the alt presentation broadsword due to its feasibility of creation in our on-campus lab.
After deciding to cast the broadsword, we modeled the hilt and blade in SolidWorks and we simulated in Magma.
To make our shells, we used a lost wax process. After the shells dried, they were heated with the club-designed ring of fire to gradually melt the wax.
For the casting, we used modified 5160 with higher chrome and nickel contents. The shells were preheated to 2000 degrees for us to safely pour at 2950 degrees. We poured into the shells at an angle and tilted them vertically for solidification.
The blades were heat-treated in a club-made fluidized bed and kiln. We then meticulously perfected the hilt and blade and unified the two in a low-temperature bismuth alloy.
Down in Russell Hall, where the furnace glows, pouring pioneers with molten flows. In a sea of fire, they cast their dream, a blade of honor, sharp and clean. In the classroom, minds are bright, a broadsword strong for George to wield. Through every line, the past is healed. In SolidWorks, we craft the blade. George's sword will bring to you magma runs. We test the cast from Washington's hand. The legacy will last. As the metal flows, we look within. Thermal gradients ensure no compromises. Sanding smooth, the mold takes shape. Next, the wax takes the fragrance place. Duct tape the base and seal it tight. Slurry leaks would ruin the mold's true might. We've got the wax, a perfect sword. Now it's time to make it more. Dip it in the slurry coat with zircon and sand. Silicone clings, let the molding begin. In the ring of fire, we let it burn. Heat and flame, they twist and churn. The shells stand strong, the wax runs free. A perfect mold just waiting to be. With 5160 steel so bold, they cast a sword with a story to be told. Ceramic molds, they stand in line. Heat from the furnace, the perfect sign. Outside they're heated in fire's embrace, ready for the pour to take their place. The kiln burns bright, the molds take heat, prepping for the molten steel's fierce beat. Inside they're laid on the cart with care. The steel will pour, sparks fill the air. Eco brass, so fine and true, filling the mold as the riser grew with care. We watch, careful not to let it overflow. The cast is done, a sword is born, but the work's not done. From the riser it's torn. Sparks fly, the edge is smooth. The sword takes form with every move. Two kills stacked high, building the frame. Stainless steel tubes, set in the game. Argon bubbling in the bed. Heat flows steady, the steel's well kept. Assemble the furnace, steady and true. A perfect heat treatment coming through. At 1525, the steel's ready to rise. Austenitized blade under fire's eyes. A hiss and a splash, the metal bites into the oil through the quenching night. But the blade's not perfect, it's still got a twist. In the vise we straighten and polish the blade, make it shine. A replica forged, a piece of time. Laser cuts, sharp and bright, etching the blade with perfect design.